Hello guys! In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet a basic chain. But first, let me introduce to you the two most common ways to hold your crochet hook. The first one is the pencil grip. Hold your hook with your thumb and index finger. The third finger near the tip of your hook. The crochet hook should be turned slightly toward you, not facing up, not facing down. The next one is the knife hold. Imagine you're holding a knife and let your fingers curve over the length of the hook. Keep your hands relaxed so you don't strain your muscles. There are also other ways called the saber hold, the piano claw, the pinky fly hold, and the chopstick hold. You just have to find out which way you are comfortable with. And I am comfortable with the knife hold. And now, let's start with our basic chain. Grab the tail of your yarn here and hold it like this. Wrap it around your index and your middle finger. Wrap it one more time, making an X until here, and then clip it with your ring finger. So here, insert your hook under the first yarn and grab that second yarn. Pull it and then slowly release the index finger and the middle finger. Here, while holding the both tails of your yarn. Pull it slowly until you created the knot. So here, I'm just going to transfer my finger here and then pull the other tail. There. Let me show it to you one more time. Hold your yarn this way and wrap it around your index finger and middle finger, creating an X here. Wrap it around here one more time and clip it with your ring finger. Insert your hook here and grab this part of the yarn. Pull it slowly. So release your fingers and pull the tails. You're going to pull both tails. There. And this, we are going to hold this tail tight and pull it like that. And now we are ready to do our chain. We need to hold it here so we can make our chain even and nice. Just yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We are just going to repeat this process until our desired length. I'll just do more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, like if you are done with your chain, I will show you how to fasten it off. Like this. You just have to yarn over again, pull through, and then we are going to cut this tail off. Cut the tail off, and then you are just going to pull the yarn to fasten it off. So like that. This is just a short chain.